Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print PDF report of repair order with multiple pages via repair module. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev repair order multiple PDF. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our repair module is installable. First go to repairs. Select multiple orders, go to print and see here this menu for print PDF report. Click on download button. So you can easily see here selected multiple orders is downloaded with multiple pages. Thank you.